So I'm going to start with how you measure the voltage. First off, you notice I've got it set to V for voltage. This is automatic. It doesn't matter whether it's AC or DC voltage. It basically decides itself, it knows itself what the voltage is going to be. I've got a little standard 9-volt battery I just found in the cupboard next to it. So I'm going to test it now and see what it does. So there we go, you can see on the display it says we've got 9 volts DC. So I know that battery is working perfectly well as it should at 9 volts. Obviously it's a brand new battery, so I'm not expecting any less, so that is absolutely perfect, and that's how you do voltage. That would be the same if you were doing mains voltage as well. You just put it in on V and it will automatically detect it as an AC voltage. In this case it's DC because we're testing a battery. So now I'll explain how we test the current, the amps. So basically we set it to A on the meter, dead simple, we set it to A. Using the open jaw technology, we find the mains live cable and we basically just slide the jaw over the top of that, and we look at the meter and we say, oh, it's 1.4, I think 1.4, yes, and then we take it off. Oh dear, we've lost what it says on the display. So what we can do then is put it back on and we can press hold and then take it off, and then we can go, oh yes, definitely 1.5 amps is in use there. So now I'm going to show you how to test a resistor. It will test up to 1k max. So we put it on the ohm symbol on the tester and we put the probes on, and there we go, we can see that says 99. This is an actual 100 ohm resistor, so we expect a little bit of play in this resistor, but there you go, that's how you test a resistor. So this is how we do a circuit test. We set it to the ohm symbol and the beeping symbol. There we go, and we just do a circuit test, just showing you on a key there, which is basically metal, but you could just join the probes together and you get exactly the same result. If I can keep my hand still, but yeah, you get the idea anyway. There you go. One thing that's very good with this meter is the fact that underneath you can slide the probes in, and you can actually slide one single probe in like I'm showing you now and actually use it to hold the probe in place while using the test meter, which is quite handy because you've only got two hands, and sometimes holding the probes and holding the tester at the same time can be quite difficult. So it's quite useful that you can slide that probe in, hold the tester in one hand, and you've got the probe then, so you can easily touch something and it's held really good in place, and then you've got the other probe in your other hand, so you've got two hands then in use. You don't actually need a third hand, which is always handy. And last of all, I just want to show you, for easy storage, both your probes can just slide in the back of the meter like that, and it keeps your probe safe.